what are the best whiskey stones and do they even work? What's going on YouTube? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor, and today I'm back with another fire video. I know I saw all my videos are fire, cause they are. But today I'm doing a review of whiskey stones, how to use them, what they're for, and also this is my birthday vlog. For those that are subscribed to me and watching my videos, I haven't been posting the last couple of days because, you know, it's a holiday. We're trying to spend time with family, trying to get some stuff in. So, you know, I got a few gifts in between then. I got some Adidas slides. I got this map. Me and my wife travel a lot, about photos, got some different stuff. But today I want to emphasize on this one. I got this one a few days ago, and some whiskey stones. And I know a lot of people that drink whiskey, bourbon, things of that nature, they're always trying to figure out a way to make that experience a little bit better. So I'm here to tell you that whiskey stones will do that, and we're gonna get straight into it. All right, so first thing out the way, make sure you subscribe to this channel, support the channel. All you gotta do is just take 5 seconds out of your day, like the video, comment, let me know what you feel about whiskey stones, what you think about them, if you had any other experiences with them, if you have any other kind. And as always, everything in this video, the whiskey stones, the actual glass, I'm also gonna be talking about what I'm smoking today, which is the Puff Bar. This is peach ice. I'm not smoking hookah today. It's a little something different I'm trying to try. I might do a review on these. If you want all this stuff, it'll be in the links in the description below. Excuse me, in the description below, so you can check it out. But without further ado, let's get into the whiskey stones. All right, so we have whiskey stones and a glass set by All Magic. Okay, so let's check this out. All right, so All Magic, nice box. We always want to check that out. Get that in there. Yeah, we always want to check that out. We always want to see what's the packaging like. The packaging, you know, before you even get into it, you want to make sure you have some nice packaging. Make sure your items in there are secure and good to go. Now, in this box, it comes with 2 whiskey glasses, but I am drinking out of one with the whiskey stones in there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I got the whiskey stones in there, and surprisingly, guys, it's cold. It's cold. So let's talk about this. So in this box, in this gift set, it comes with whiskey stones. It comes in this nice case. It's like a velvet kind of material, All Magic, right? There we go. And you also get 2 glasses, the glasses that I just showed you, and the glasses in here. It also has this nice cloth in the box, right? So let's open up the whiskey stones and see what they look like. Now, if you're not familiar with whiskey stones are used in place of ice, and I had these in the freezer and they're cold. Like, they're freezing my hand right now. I'm actually gonna have to put this under there, or I'm gonna put it right here so you can see it. See that? Yeah. So the whiskey stones are used in place of ice because ice, as you know, dilutes your liquor, dilutes your whiskey, makes it have a different taste. Some people like diluted whiskey. I do too, because it brings out the flavor of it. Some people add a little water, but if you got ice that's continually melting, it takes away from the flavor and makes it feel watered down. But with whiskey stones, you do not have that problem. You get the chill effect. You do get a little condensation from the stones from being in the freezer, so it does kind of dilute it just a little bit, but it's not enough to affect your experience in the whiskey drinking. I promise you, it's a good investment to make, especially if you drink a lot, or, you know, if you're a social drinker, you want to kind of look cool. I mean, come on now. This looks awesome. People will be like, what's that in your cup? And you get to tell them about whiskey stones. Very nice glass, great contour to the hand. I love it. It's really nice. These Puff Bars are amazing, let me tell you. Yeah, like I said, I usually have my hookah in my video, but these right here, they're a little bit on the pricey side, but they're nice. They feel good, they taste good, and they give you, you know, the buzz effect that you need. But that's for a whole nother video. I'll do another video on Puff Bars, telling y'all how they are. If you want to know about that video, make sure you subscribe so you can catch it when I do drop it, all right? So let's talk about more about this gift set, the Almighty gift set, All Magic gift set, sorry. So this is the glass, it's the empty glass, right? So, empty glass, very thick glass, nice glass. Make sure you wash your glass, especially what's going on right now with this whole COVID thing. You never know where it's coming from. And these are the whiskey stones, right? They have no flavor. Let me do this for the camera. They have no flavor. It's just like, I don't know, like, I can't even describe it, but it has no flavor. So you don't have to worry about it flavoring your whiskey and turning your whiskey into something that you don't want it to be. Very nice, very good for the whiskey connoisseur, bourbon, or whatever you're into, scotch, anything like that, even vodka, things of that nature. If you don't want to dilute your drink too much, whiskey stones is what you need. Very cut and dry. It's nothing too much more than that. I would advise anybody to get this. I'm probably going to start using those a lot more than regular ice, especially when I'm drinking just after a long day, kind of trying to chill, or at a social gathering. I bring my whiskey stone, pop them in the freezer when I first get there. You know, talk a little bit, let those get cold, put it in my drink, and I'll be good to go. So that's that. That's pretty much it of the whiskey stones. In this case, if you want these, again, look at the link in the description below. Make sure you go get you some. It'd be a good gift for you, good gift for people that's around you. And also subscribe to the channel once again so you can see these gifts. I'm waiting. I know people want to know what's in this one. I know people want to know. I want to know what's in that one too. But I don't. So I'm probably gonna open that one on my last day, very last day. And I'll do a review on whatever it is, let y'all know what it is in the box, but you gotta stay tuned for it, all right? Thank y'all so much for tuning in to my channel, and as always, you are royalty.